press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Next, we'll go for the chemical properties. Chemical properties of alkaline earth metals. First reaction is reaction with oxygen. Reaction with oxygen. If alkaline earth metals on heating reacts with air or oxygen and forming metal oxide, and the reaction is very brilliantly taking place. The reaction is very brilliantly taking place. Reaction with air or oxygen brilliantly reacts when it is on heating with alkaline earth metals. So then M indicates alkaline earth metals. Alkaline earth metals are beryllium, then magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium is the radioactive element. So then if a metal reacts with oxygen, burns brilliantly on heating burns brilliantly to form metallic oxide. The reactivity increases from beryllium to barium. Reactivity increases from beryllium to barium. Reactivity increases from beryllium to barium. So if magnesium reacts with oxygen, it burns with dazzling brilliancy. With dazzling brilliance and forms the magnesium oxide. Alkaline earth metals reacts with oxygen, and also in atmosphere nitrogen also present in the atmosphere. Nitrogen is a major component of the air. Nitrogen also reacts with alkaline earth metals. Alkaline earth metals, beryllium, then magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium jodaki react agi, then it forms nitride compounds. So alkaline earth metals AEM reacts with nitrogen of the air. Reacts with nitrogen of the air at a high temperature. At high temperature gives nitride compound. Alkali earth metals reacts with nitrogens of the air. Airnalliರೋ nitrogen ಜೊತೆಗೆ alkaline earth metals react ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗದೆ metallic nitride compounds. Examples: if magnesium reacts with nitrogen on heating, then it forms magnesium. So then magnesium nitride compounds. Strontium and barium. Now, strontium and barium, the last two elements of the second group, alkaline earth metals, is strontium and barium reacts with strontium and barium reacts with oxygen forms peroxide compounds. So strontium and barium reacts with oxygen, product a peroxide compound. Two nitrogen containing compound, peroxide andre oxidation state of oxygen is -1. Oxidation state of, here M indicates strontium and barium reacts with oxygen. On heating, it gives metallic peroxide compounds. So this is a reaction with oxygen. In that, some note we have to note it. The reaction with oxygen, when metal reacts with oxygen, burns brilliantly to give metallic oxide. Examples: magnesium with oxygen, with a dazzling brilliance, the reaction taking place with the magnesium oxide. Other alkaline earth metals, nitrogen of air jodaki react aitandre it forms a metallic nitride. Examples: magnesium and nitrogen of air reacts to form magnesium nitride. Strontium and barium reacts with oxygen and forms the peroxide compounds. So some note you remember after the reaction with oxygens, some important points to remember. Then beryllium, magnesium and magnesium not attacked by air at room temperature. So normal temperature nalli beryllium and magnesium air jodaki react agadilla, because it forms a metallic oxide coating. It forms the metallic oxide coatings, so that can be stored in. So this can be stored in air, nothing will happen. Stored in air, because normal temperature nalli react agadilla, can be stored in air. But whereas in the calcium, strontium and barium attacks with the air, so these cannot be stored in the air. So it is to be stored in, so it reacts with the air, so it is to be stored in paraffin liquid. It is stored in paraffin liquid. Recall once again. So now beryllium and magnesium will not react with the air at room temperature. So room temperature la now idu erada now store madbekandre we can store it in the air, nothing will happen, no reaction with the air. But last three elements, the calcium, strontium and barium, it reacts with oxygen. So ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಓಪನ್ ಏರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, it will react with oxygen. So calcium oxide, strontium oxide and barium oxide ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ these are all stored in paraffin liquids. Like sodium kerosene la store ಮಾಡಿದಂಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ these can be stored in paraffin liquids. These can be stored in paraffin liquids. That is a first chemical properties. In second chemical properties, it is a reaction. Second chemical properties, reaction with water. Reaction with water. Second chemical properties is the reaction with water. Beryllium gives no reaction. Beryllium gives no reaction with water. No reaction with water or steam. ಸ್ಟೀಮ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಹಾಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿನ ಬೆರಿಲಿಯಂ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ವಾಟರ್. ವಾಟರ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬೆರಿಲಿಯಂ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್. ರೀಸನ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಅಮಂಗ್ ಎ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಪೋಲರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಪವರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೇಷನ್ ಎಂಥಾಲ್ಪಿ. ಈ ರೀಸನ್ ಅಂತ ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್. Least reactive, so this is least reactive. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಡಿ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಆಟಮ್. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಹೈ ಪೋಲರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಪವರ್. ಈ ರೀಸನ್ ಅಂತ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೀಮ್. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಮೆಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ಡೂ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ cold water. Do not react with cold water. So ordinary condition nalli magnesium react agadilla, but adhe magnesium if it is a steam means water when it is heated at 100 degree temperature. 100 degree temperature la water heat madidre steam form agutte. ಆ steam ಜೊತೆಗೆ react ಆಗುತ್ತೆ magnesium. So magnesium displaces, reacts with steam and displaces hydrogen, displaces the hydrogens, and the product forms with water ಜೊತೆಗೆ react ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ magnesium reacts with water molecules and forms magnesium hydroxide with the liberation of hydrogen gas. Magnesium hydroxide with the liberation of hydrogen gas. But the next three elements, calcium, strontium and barium. Calcium, strontium and barium, it's a more reactive with water. When ಮೇಲಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೌನ್ ದ ಗ್ರೂಪ್, ಬೆರಿಲಿಯಂ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಹಾಟ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೆಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಸ್ಟೀಮ್. ಬಟ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ, ಸ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಯಂ ಅಂಡ್ ಬೇರಿಯಂ ಈವನ್ ಇಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್, ಸ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಯಂ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬೇರಿಯಂ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೋರ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ with water. More reactive with water, with cold water. More reactive with cold water, so then to form metal hydroxide. Metal hydroxide form ಆಗುತ್ತೆ and hydrogen gas liberate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಲಿಬರೇಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಲಿಬರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ and forms the calcium hydroxide with the liberation of hydrogen gas. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ some of the noting point, is available. So then first conditions idla note ni neeva first one yavadandre thermal stability of the hydroxide increases. Thermal stability of hydroxide, thermal stability of hydroxide increases. Thermal stability of hydroxide increases from beryllium hydroxide to barium hydroxide. Thermal stability increases from beryllium hydroxide to barium hydroxide. Then second note of this, if you noted it, then we will go for the second note of the reaction with the water. Reaction with the water. So the thermal stability of hydroxide increases from beryllium hydroxide to barium hydroxide. The second point in the note, basic strength also increases from basic strength. Basic strength also increases. Basic strength also increases from beryllium hydroxide to barium hydroxide. Beryllium hydroxide to barium hydroxide compounds. Now these are the two. One is thermal stability increases from beryllium hydroxide, means thermal stability andre heat resistant ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Beryllium to barium heat resistant ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Heat will not affect the compounds. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಚರ್. ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ then basic nature of the compound increases from beryllium to barium hydroxide. ಮೂರನೇ, so then ಮೂರನೇ reaction ಯಾವುದಂದ್ರೆ chemical properties. The third chemical properties is a reaction with hydrogens. Third chemical properties, reaction with hydrogen. Hydrogen, or we can write it also dihydrogen. Reaction with alkaline earth metals, hydrogen ಜೊತೆಗೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ alkaline earth metallic hydride ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Hydride with negative charge, metal with positive charge. Metal loses the electron, hydrogen gains the electrons. So hydrogen, if reacts with alkaline earth metals, there is a formation of metallic hydride. There is a formation of the metallic hydride. So then it forms, it indicates alkaline earth metal forms a metallic hydride. Metallic hydride. Examples: M indicates beryllium, then magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium reacts with hydrogen on heating. There is a formation of MH2. It is metallic hydride. This is the metallic hydride. Hydride with negatively charged and metal is with positively charged. Examples now: beryllium hydride. Suppose beryllium hydride is also obtained. The beryllium hydride, if you are preparing, it can be prepared by taking beryllium chloride when it is treated with lithium aluminum hydride. Beryllium hydride is formation. Beryllium hydride formation when beryllium chloride is treated with lithium aluminum hydride. It is called reducing agent. So the beryllium chloride, when it reacts with lithium aluminum hydride, produces beryllium hydride. So beryllium hydride also prepared from beryllium chloride when it reacts with lithium aluminum hydride. So there is a formation of two molecules of beryllium chloride with one molecules on heating gives two beryllium hydride with aluminum chloride and lithium chloride. So this is a beryllium hydride is also prepared by taking beryllium chloride on heating with lithium aluminum hydride. So beryllium chloride also gives beryllium hydride. Beryllium chloride to beryllium hydride by heating with lithium aluminum hydride compounds. So beryllium hydride, now we have seen beryllium hydride and magnesium hydride. These two are covalent in nature. The reason is covalent nature. The reason is high polarizing power. Due to the high polarizing power, this beryllium hydride, magnesium hydride ಎರಡು covalent in nature ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ionic hydride. This is covalent hydride. But calcium hydride, strontium hydride and barium hydride, these two are ionic hydride, ionic bond. Two are ionic hydride. So polarizing power will be less. If a polarizing power, charge by size, is called polarizing power. High polarizing power ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ covalent nature ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Lesser polarizing power ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ it is ionic in nature, ionic compound ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So ionic hydride reacts with water. To form metal hydroxide with the liberation of hydrogens. Now, so these points you noted. Next we will go for the next reaction with it is ionic hydride. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು calcium, strontium, barium hydride. These three are the ionic hydride. Water ಜೊತೆಗೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ this ionic hydride compound water ಜೊತೆಗೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ವಿತ್ ಲಿಬರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್. ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಲಿಬರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ these three can act as the reducing agent. These three, calcium hydride to calcium hydroxide, strontium hydride to strontium hydroxide, barium hydride to barium hydroxide, all the three liberates the hydrogen gas when it reacts with water. Water ಜೊತೆಗೆ react ಆಗುವಾಗ hydrogen gas ನ liberate ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ so these will acts as the reducing agents. Ionic hydride reacts with water and forms hydroxide with the liberation of liberation of hydrogen gas. So hydrogen gas ne liberate ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ they can act as the reducing agents. They can act as reducing agent. Reducing agent undergoes oxidation. Oxidizing agent undergoes reductions. Reducing agent undergoes oxidation and oxidizing agent undergoes reductions. Examples: calcium hydride when it reacts with water, இதே டைப்ல strontium hydride and barium hydride, if you want you can write it. So water molecules and gives calcium hydroxide with the liberation of hydrogens. So that's why these act as a reducing agent. That's why it is acting as a reducing agents. So calcium hydride ke innondu hesaru ide. Calcium hydride. Calcium hydride is also known as hydrolith. Important word ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, hydrolith. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಹೈಡ್ರೈಡ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರೇನ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಲಿತ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಲಿತ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಸರಂದ್ರೆ which can be called as hydrolith? The substance with water instantly gives hydrogen. The substance which gives hydrogen with water instantly, immediately. It is instant coffee nu barutte, ready coffee, instant coffee type instant hydrogen koda substance calcium hydroxide, calcium hydride, calcium hydride. That's why calcium hydride ki innondu hesarena hydrolith, because produce hydrogen instantly. To produce hydrogen instantly. Instant hydrogen, produce hydrogen instantly with water. With the water jodake hydrogen gas with the water. So that's why that is calcium hydride is called hydrolith. What is hydrolith? The substance which gives hydrogen gas when it reacts with the water. Have the examples: calcium hydride. Calcium hydride ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರೇನ hydrolith. Hydrolith ಅಂದ್ರೆ which gives hydrogen instantly. So that's why it is called hydrolith substance. Now next it is reaction with halogens. If alkaline earth metals halogen ಜೊತೆಗೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೆಟಾಲಿಕ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೆಟಾಲಿಕ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ನಾಲ್ಕನೇ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ with halogens. Reaction with halogens. Alkaline earth metals. ಯಾವ್ದು alkaline earth metal? Beryllium, then magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium. If it halogens ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So the metals halogen ಜೊತೆಗೆ react ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ it forms metallic halide compounds. So it forms metallic halide compounds. So when it is metallic halide, general formula MX2. X indicates halogens, M indicates alkaline earth metals. M indicates alkaline earth metals when it is on heating. Suppose examples: magnesium, when it reacts with chlorine on heating it gives magnesium chloride. On heating it gives magnesium chloride. It is also by heating metallic oxide with hydrogen halide. Another method. Next method yavudanದ್ರೆ next, if metallic oxide reacts with hydrohalic acid HCl, metallic oxide treated with hydrohalic acid, so hydrogen halide, 2 molecules. So there is a formation of the, so metallic chloride on heating, metallic oxide on heating with hydrohalic acid, hydrohalic, this is general name adu, or hydrogen chloride or hydrochloric acid, then it forms the metallic chloride with liberation of, with the formation of the water, metallic chloride with the formation of the water. So then one examples for this, suppose if it is beryllium oxide reacts with HCl on heating, beryllium oxide on heating, it forms beryllium chloride, it forms beryllium chloride plus water. So that beryllium oxide on reaction with hydrogen chloride on heating gives beryllium chloride with water formations. So now beryllium chloride with the water formation, but this reaction, and one more method of preparation. First method this one, second method metallic oxide, and third method is if metallic oxide, third method of preparation, reacts with chlorine gas in presence of coke on heating at high temperature at 1073 Kelvin. Beryllium oxide when passed with chlorine gas passing on beryllium oxide in presence of coke at 1073 Kelvin produces beryllium chloride with carbon monoxide. So reaction with the halogens, 3 methods are available. First method, when the metals reacts directly to halogen on heating gives metallic halide. Examples, magnesium reacts with the chlorine forming magnesium chloride. Second method, when metallic oxide treated with hydrogen chloride or hydrohalic acid, a general name, hydrohalic acid, metallic oxide in the metallic halide compound. First one metal in the metallic halide, second metallic oxide to metallic chloride. Moorne method, metallic oxide when passed with the chlorine gas in presence of coke and the carbon. Carbon is available in number of forms. Charcoal is a carbon, graphite is a carbon, diamond is a carbon. So then fullerenes, now fullerene 60, fullerene 17 la identify ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So coke, coal ಎಲ್ಲ carbon, coke, coal, graphite, diamond, fullerenes, fullerene 60, fullerene 70, everything is a carbon. Different form of carbons, some are sp3, some are sp2 carbons, that all after hybridization you will come to know. So beryllium oxide passing with chlorine gas in presence of coke, chlorine gas passed through the beryllium oxide in presence of coke at high temperature 1073 Kelvin gives beryllium chloride and carbon monoxide. Beryllium chloride and carbon monoxide compounds. Next, the reactions with acids. Next, chemical properties. This is the reaction with halogens. next chemical properties. Reaction with acid. Reaction with acid. Alkaline earth metals readily reacts with acid and liberates hydrogen gas. So that is a reducing agent. If any metal with acid liberates hydrogen gas andre it can act as a reducing agent. Reducing agent andre ಎರಡು ಟೈಪ್ ಇದೆ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು reducing agent, ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು reducing agent. So then metal examples, reaction with acids when alkaline earth metals, M indicates alkaline earth metals, beryllium, then magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium, when it reacts with HCl it forms metallic chloride with the liberation of hydrogen gas. ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒಂದು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೇಲೇನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. So there we have taken beryllium oxide, barium oxide. ಆಮೇಲೆ next the sixth point, it is a reducing nature in chemical properties. Next it is reducing nature. In reducing nature nalli like alkali metal type, alkaline earth metals also strong reducing agents. First point, like alkali metal, like alkali metal, like alkali metal, alkaline earth metals also alkaline earth metals also strong reducing agent, strong reducing agent, strong reducing agents. Alkali metals type, alkaline earth metals also the strong reducing agent. The reason ಏನಂದ್ರೆ because it has greater, because have larger negative value of SRP. SRP ಅಂದ್ರೆ standard reduction potential, standard reduction potential, standard reduction potential. ಈ reduction potential value minus ಲ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು reducing agent, plus ಲ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು oxidizing agent. SRP value ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ PUC ನಲ್ಲಿ electrochemistry ನಲ್ಲಿ this will be coming. It is a electrode potential value. Electrode potential value minus value ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, ಇನ್ನು higher minus value ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ strong reducing agent, higher positive value ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ strong oxidizing agent. So minus value to plus value, reducing agent to oxidizing agent. So plus value, the RPS standard reduction potential value, minus value ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ strong reducing agent, plus value ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ it is a oxidizing agent. ಅದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟು ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಆನೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೈನಸ್, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಡ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಸ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅದು. ಅದು ನಾವು ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಮೈನಸ್ಲ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್, ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್. ದೆನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ it is oxidizing agent, reduction is greater. ಇದೇ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಡ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಡ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್, ಟು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ and oxidizing agent. To differentiate reducing agent and oxidizing agent differentiate ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಒಂದು ಸೈನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೈನಸ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ. ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಸ್ ದೆನ್ reducing power will be reducing power less than alkali metals. Alkaline earth metal reducing power is less than alkali metal. Alkali metal strong reducing agent. Alkaline earth metals strong reducing agent. ಎರಡು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ alkali metal ಗೆ reducing agent power ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, alkaline earth metal ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Alkaline earth metals ಗೆ the reducing agent is still little lesser. Still it is lesser. Now the next reducing power, so it is beryllium has less negative value. Less negative value. Less negative value compared with alkaline earth metals. With other alkaline earth metal. Alkaline earth metal. Other alkaline earth metals. Reducing nature due to large hydration energy. ಯಾಕೆ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೇಷನ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಸೈಜ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ವಾಟರ್. ಸೈಜ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆರಿಲಿಯಂ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೈಜ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ವಾಟರ್. ಸೊ ಹೈಡ್ರೇಷನ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ, ಸೊ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೇಷನ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೆರಿಲಿಯಂ ಆಟಮ್. ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸೈಜ್ beryllium ion. Small size beryllium ions. Small size beryllium ion. Beryllium is a large value of atomization enthalpy. Next, one more point. Beryllium beryllium has large value of atomizations. Atomization ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ವೆರಿ ಮೈನ್ಯೂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಆಟೋಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಎಂಥಾಲ್ಪಿ. Large value of atomization enthalpy of metal. Enthalpy of metal. Large value of atomization enthalpy of metals. Atomization ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪುಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. So that large value for the beryllium. Berylliumಕ್ಕೆ atomizations very minute ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಟೋಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಎಂಥಾಲ್ಪಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ solution in liquid ammonia. Solution in liquid ammonia. ಇದು alkali metals ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ. If alkali metals when it is placed in liquid ammonia, the metals ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ cation and electrons, ಬೇರೆ ಏನಿರಲ್ಲ. So what is the metallic bond ಅಂದ್ರೆ the metallic cation surrounded by sea of electrons. Metallic bond is the metallic cation surrounded by sea of electrons. Sea of electron andre huge number of the electrons, that is called metallic bond. Now this is soluble in liquid ammonia. Alkali metals alle inform ಮಾಡಿದಿವೆ. When alkali metal dissolved in liquid ammonia, it was giving a colored solution, blue colored solution ಬಂದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ammoniated cations plus ammoniated electrons ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Ammoniated cations effect in the color of the solutions responsible. The color of the solution responsible for that ammoniated cations. So like alkali metal, alkaline earth metals also. Alkaline earth metal gives dark or deep blue black solution form ಆಗುತ್ತೆ due to ammoniated cations and ammoniated electrons. Due to ammoniated cations and ammoniated ions, due to ammoniated ions, due to ammoniated ions. Examples: metal, alkaline earth metal reacts with X plus Y ammonia molecule, gives metal cation with surrounded by ammonia with X number 2 plus another ammoniated cation. This is ammoniated cation and 2 electron surrounded by the ammonia with Y numbers negative charge. From this ammoniates gets recovered. ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದು ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? From these ammoniates is recovered. So solution, if it is metals are dissolved in liquid ammonia, metal means metal is equal to metallic cation plus electron, that is metal. Metallic cation plus electron is a metal. The metallic cations gets ammoniated, electrons gets ammoniated. These ammoniated cations and ammoniated electrons effect in the, what is the color of the solution? Deep blue black color form ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Deep blue black color form ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. The ammoniates ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is metal with NH3 of 6 to the power 2 plus, that is called ammoniates. Ammoniates is recovered from this. Ammoniates can be recovered. Ammoniates can be recovered. It is a second group alkaline earth metal surrounded by the ammonia. Ammonia is a neutral ligand. In second year you will be studying about coordination chemistry. coordination compounds or complex compounds. Already I informed a number of times. ನಿಮಗೆ inorganic salt ಮೂರು ಟೈಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು simple salt, one cation, one anion. Double salt, one cation, two anion, or one anion, two cations. Then complex salt ಅಂದ್ರೆ original ions miss ಆಗಿ new ions form ಆಗುತ್ತೆ as a complex. Complex ಯಾವಾಗನ ನಾವು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆನೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So inorganic salt three types: simple salt, double salt, and complex salt. Simple salt, double salt, and complex salt. Next it is general characteristics of compounds of alkaline earth metals. General characteristics. General characteristics of compounds of alkaline earth metal. General characteristics of compounds of alkaline earth metal. So, general characteristics. What is oxidation state? Oxidation state, it is +2 for the alkaline earth metals. Oxidation state +2 for the alkaline earth metals. +2 for the alkaline earth metals. So predominantly it is ionic. It is ionic. Predominantly it is ionic in nature, but less ionic than alkali metal. Then alkali metals, less ionic than alkali metals. Second, general characteristics: smaller size, high polarizing power, higher charge. These are the general characteristics. Now, oxides: alkaline metallic oxide and alkaline metallic salts of small sized beryllium and magnesium is ಕೋವೆಲೆಂಟ್. ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ತಿಳಿಸಿದೆ. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಹೈ ಪೋಲರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಪವರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ದ ಕೋವೆಲೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಂಡ್. Others are having lesser polarizing power, it is having ionic bond. Large sized members calcium, strontium and barium, it forms ionic. Next it is oxides and hydroxides. Next heading oxides and hydroxide. Oxides, alkaline earth metal, when it reacts with oxygen it is forming metallic oxide. Alkaline earth metal reacts with oxygen, it forms metallic oxide, it is ionic nature with rock salt structure. With rock salt structure. Beryllium oxide, it is covalent. Delta enthalpy of formation is quite high. Enthalpy of formation is quite high and very stable. Quite high and very stable. Beryllium oxide is amphoteric. Beryllium oxide is amphoteric. It reacts with acid and base. Amphoteric andre ಯಾವ substance acid and base ಜೊತೆಗೆ react ಆಗುತ್ತೋ that substance is called as amphoteric substance. That substance is called as amphoteric substance. So beryllium oxide is a covalent compound. Beryllium oxide is an amphoteric compound. Why it is called amphoteric means amphoteric is the substance which can act as acid as well as base. Acid as well as base. ಯಾವ substance acid and base ಜೊತೆಗೆ react ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಆ substance ಗೆ ಹೆಸರೇ amphoteric substance. That substance is called as amphoteric substance. Now the next oxides react with the water and it forms other metallic oxide are basic in nature. ಯಾವುದು ಅದರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is calcium oxide, magnesium oxide, calcium oxide, strontium oxide and calcium oxide, strontium oxide and barium oxide. These are all basic in nature. The oxide reacts with water. Oxide reacts with water, then it forms sparingly soluble hydroxide. Sparingly soluble hydroxide ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ soluble ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Sparingly soluble hydroxide. Sparingly soluble hydroxide, for examples, metallic oxide, when it reacts with water, it forms metallic hydroxide. Metallic hydroxide, it is sparingly soluble in water. Sparingly soluble in water. Next, the solubility. Yavudu solubility, thermal stability, basic character, thermal stability, basic character. The 3 points: solubility of the compound, thermal stability. Thermal stability andre down the group if it comes, it is a heat resistant irutte. Thermal stability ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Heat stability, heat ಇಂದ no problems. Then basic character of hydroxide. Basic character of hydroxide increases with increase in atomic number. With increase in atomic number. So ಮೇಲಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆರಿಲಿಯಂ ಟು ಬೇರಿಯಂ ಬಂದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಥರ್ಮಲ್ ಸ್ಟೆಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಾಲ್ಯುಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಫ್ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್. increases with increase in atomic number down the group. Increase in atomic number down the group. So these hydroxides, the hydroxide are less basic than alkali metal hydroxide. Less basic than alkali metal hydroxide. Examples: beryllium hydroxide, like beryllium oxide, which is amphoteric. Amphoteric andre ಏನು? Amphoteric ಅಂದ್ರೆ the substance acid ಜೊತೆಗೆ react ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, base ಜೊತೆಗೆ react ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Amphoteric substance. Examples we will see. Beryllium hydroxide is a beryllium oxide which is amphoteric. Amphoteric andre the beryllium hydroxide reacts with acid and reacts with the base. That you will see next. The reaction is beryllium hydroxide reacts with a hydroxyl ion which is a base. It may be sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide base, and it forms beryllium OH 4 times with a negative charge. This is called berylate ion. Here beryllium hydroxide reacts with the base. In next case, beryllium hydroxide reacts with acid. Beryllium hydroxide reacts with acid in presence of solution. Then it forms the beryllium with the water molecule as used as a ligands. Donates the pair of electron to the central metal ion. Then 4 times of the water molecules with the chlorine. So this is here beryllium hydroxide reacts with the base. Here beryllium hydroxide reacts with acid. When a substance reacts with acid and base, then the substance is called as the amphoteric substance. So this is amphoteric. This substance is a amphoteric substance.